What's up guys, in this video I will show you where I get the signals for the trades that I am doing. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bitnals. Link will be in the description of the video. And as you can see here, elevate your trading experience. We are the top crypto signals provider, outperforming all major indexes, making them the premier choice for the traders seeking maximum return. So this is their performance for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So you can go ahead and check that one out. And this is actually what they offer. Later on, I will show you the screenshot of the signal that I am getting from them. So I am already subscribed, so I could show you the ones that I am getting. And let me also walk you through how you could make your subscription. So you could choose your plans here. You could do it monthly, you could do it quarterly, or you could do it yearly. All right, so for the monthly plan, guys, it is $29.99, and then for quarterly it's $53.99, and for yearly it's $215.99. So those are actually cheap rates for the returns that you will be getting. So you can go ahead and click on subscribe. It will take you directly to where you could enter your details when you are doing your checkout. So if you're going to be paying with credit card, you could do that here. You could also use Google Pay. So subscribe per month, it is $29.99. You just put in all the details that you have here and whichever country you are in the world. All right, so going back to Bitnals, guys. So let me go ahead and quickly show you the signal that I got, and then I could show you later on. Binance is the one that I'm using, so I'll use Binance to show that to you, how you could apply those signals. So this is my email. So this is a screenshot of the email that I am getting. So the signal or the Bitnal is going to be attached. It's going to be in PDF form, and then it will look like this, guys. So daily report, it will show you the date of that report, and it will show you the signals for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for Solana. So it will show you the actual position bought, and then the order, the sell stop limit. All right, so I suppose if you're watching this and if you've reached this part of the video, that you have already an experience in trading. If not, guys, you can go ahead and check out our channel. There's a lot of videos out there that we've created especially for you. All right, so their performance is this one: evolution of 1000 USD invested in Bitnals versus buy and hold for the last 12 months. You could go ahead and check that one out. You have buy stop limit, you have sell stop limit. You will also see their performance, 30 days, 365 days, and then year to date. So that's the YTD. So those are the information that you will be getting. So let's say, for example, because right now, guys, the price of Bitcoin is already up. This is actually a good news for us. Hopefully, it's the start of the bullish market right again. So it's at 30,400, right around that mark. And then this is your limit, market, and stop limit. So you could put in all your details right there. So sell stop limit, you could put whatever is indicated in the signals that you will be getting. It's either if you're using other centralized exchange or whatever exchange you're using for your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, and your Solana trading, you could go ahead and do the stop loss or stop limit trades and then apply what you get in Bitnals there. All right, so if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.